special issue of the legitimate magazine related to environmental degradation was released in Srinagar. The function was held at Green Valley Educational Institute, Elahibag, Srinagar, wherein people from different fields participated. Secretary for Higher Education Dr. ASGAR SAMOON presided over the function, while President Private School Association G. Enviroment also spoke on the occasion. Stressing for the mass awareness against the large environmental degradation in Kashmir, ASGAR SAMOON said that for the preservation of environment, the society has to come together collectively. While appreciating the news magazine for picking up the crucial issue of environmental degradation, he said it's of grave concern for journalists and media houses to propagate the information on environmental degradation. President Private School Association G. Enviroment also appreciated the magazine for bringing up special issue on environment and its protection. Dr. Was said that private schools have made it mandatory that their students are participating in environment related activities in an order to make them understand the growing concern of environmental degradation. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.